Well, the coyotes are out tonight. You can hear them. And the crickets. So we're here at the campsite, and Lee's cooking up some grub on my alcohol stove. It's my what he's got in here is my Trangia knockoff, my Esbit, and that's in my modified sterno folding stove. So he's got the pot sitting on top. He's got the Esbit stove raised up off the ground about a good, I don't know, 2-3 inches, and he's been at a rolling boil for a long time. This thing has gone and gone and gone. I filled it up, I think, too much with alcohol. The thing's been at a rolling boil now for a good 5 minutes, I think.
Probably at least 3.
Yeah, so it's just chugging along. So this is going to be a lot of fun tonight, listening to all those coyotes.
Okay, well, it's right before sunrise, and I really got to work on my sleep system. I'm telling you, I hardly slept at all last night. I'm just waiting for the sun to come up a little bit more so I could do some fishing. But yeah, that is the worst. My pillow system and my sleeping mat just really stink. So it was really uncomfortable. But I did get a little bit of sleep. Anyway, I'm just up with Kato, and we're going to be watching the sunrise together. Talk to you later.
Okay, well, it's about 8 o'clock in the morning, and I just landed this largemouth bass. I'd say it's about a good, I don't know, 9 inches long or so. It's a beautiful guy. So I'm stoked because yesterday I caught one and it got away, and this time I brought it in. I'm going to throw it back though. Broke down camp. The wind has picked up dramatically. It's about, what, maybe 10 around there. And the wind is just amazingly strong right now, which pretty much wipes out our fishing, and it's going to limit our exploring. So we're probably going to go check out Celebration Park, look at the petroglyphs. But all in all, it was a pretty good trip. I caught 2 bass, which I was really happy about. Only ever catching rainbow trout, so that was cool. Did you guys have fun?
Absolutely.
I had a blast.
Cool deal.
I had a blast.